Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about your project topic. So your project topic in mathematics is formation of angles by using a piece of paper and count how many acute angles, right angles and obtuse angle to be formed over there. Okay, so for this actually you have to take this type of paper. So take a piece of paper like this, and then you have to fold it in half, and then next part of is after doing half, now bisect the angles marked above the folding such that the right side meets the bottom side. So you see how to fold this paper, and after this step, after the step number 3, you have to go to this step. The shape obtained should look as shown above. So see, looks like this. Okay, then again bisect the angle formed marked above, and again bisect the angle marked above by folding such that the right side meets the bottom side. The shape obtained should look as shown above. And then now start unfolding, and you will see a curve at the fold. Unfold again, you will find more crease marks at the folds. Unfold again. Okay, then afterwards you will get this type of shape on your paper. You will see 7 prominent crease mark the end points of the arm as shown alongside, and consider O as the vertex. So see here, O is as the vertex, and see, you have to give the names of this, like this way you have to give the name. Then you have to find out how many acute angles is here. So can you count 21 acute angles? So then you have to write down the name. So one name is already given, so next others 20 names you have to write which are acute angles, and then you have to count how many right angles to be count. So then you have to find out that how many right angles and how many obtuse angle can you count. Okay, so like this way you have to do your project. So hope you can understand. For this you have to take this type of this shape of this type of a piece of paper, and then you one by one step you have to unfold, and then now bisect the angles marked above the folding such that the right side meets the bottom side. So you see, that is actually this is given in your book also, page number 190. So you go to page number 190. So one by one step is given here. You please follow it, and then find out how many acute angle, and then write down the names of those acute angle, then write down how many obtuse angle and right angle, and there's also you have to write down the names. So you fold like this way, and then you open it, and then you give the names, and O is our vertex. So then you write down here how many acute angles is here, and give the names. Okay, without giving the name is very difficult to find out which way you can find out this angles, acute angle or right angle or obtuse angle. So you please do this. This is your project work, and hope you can understood how to do it. So all the steps is given here. You please one by one you follow it. Okay, and then simply you do it, because in my last activity video I that's why I showed you by using a paper how can you find out that acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, zero angle, and complete angle. So hope you can understand. So like that way you can find out which angles is acute angle, obtuse angle. Only 3 angles you have to find out: acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. Okay, so please you do it, and in my next video I will discuss the another activity about your mathematics from your mathematics book. So please you do this. This is your project work. So many students is asking about me that how to do it. So this is your project topic: formation of angles by using a piece of paper, and count how many acute angles, right angles and obtuse angle to be formed over there. So this is actually your project work. This one you please do it, And whatever activity I am showing you, the other one, the last week I showed one of the activity, that actually I want to show you how to do it. If you want, you can do it at your home, cut the papers and do it, but that is actually I want to show you. And this one actually this is your individual work, you do by yourself. Only few things I have discussed it. So like this way I'm giving the information from your book, because that this page is help you to find out how to find out the acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. Please you follow the steps, and how to fold it, this picture is given in your book, so you just simply follow it and find out and give the names here. Okay, thank you students, bye.